In this class we will see how to use reference geometries creation commands, which facilitate the creation of views of a piece and projects in general. We open the available file and let's get started. We will start with the command construction line, present in the Draw panel of the Home tab and accessed by clicking on the title bar of the panel. This command creates an infinite line, which passes through a specified point on the screen. With the active command, we select the point through which the line will pass and set its direction by moving the cursor on the screen, see. We activate the command again and we will study the application options. Here we can choose between inserting lines horizontally, represented by the letter H, vertical, letter V, positioned at a specific angle, letter A. In the bisector of an angle, letter B, or parallel to another object, letter O. In this way, to choose one of the available modes, simply type the corresponding letter and press Enter. Let's now look at how to insert reference geometry with the command ray, which inserts a line that starts from a point to infinity, assisting in the layout of projects. Whenever this entity is created, it uses the layer that is active in this field. When activating the command, we must specify the point of origin and another point that will indicate the direction of the line, see. The advantage of this command over the previous one is that it allows you to create multiple lines without the need to activate the command again. Forward we will proceed with the layout of the other views of this piece. And so we finished our class, where we learned to insert reference geometries that facilitate the development of projects in AutoCAD.